I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen so I can share more details on when we can start applying for jobs and then what you can become, what can be the salary. Here's the full products that I'm able to offer. So I wanted to talk more about the test out IT fundamentals. So here, once you get to learn about information technology basics, you can now do a career into digital media. Why? They teach you about computers, digital data, even 3D modeling. You can even become a video production specialist just by taking this class. And then this class here, computing devices, here are the classes that you can take to troubleshoot the hardware of a computer. Because the computer have two parts, the hardware and the software. Once you finish this class, you can become a PC repair technician. So let's look at the price for PC technician in the United States. How much do they pay? $20 an hour, 48,000 a year, and then that's 3,427 per month. This is better than most of the jobs people tend to dwell on. People believe that they can be warehouse associates or being warehouse workers making 40,000. It's okay if that's what you want to do, but I believe as people we can do more, we can do better. And that's just the entry for finishing this class only. I can get you to become PC repair technician. We can be applying for jobs already. Once you get this done, you go to the next class. In this class, you get to learn about operating system. What is an operating system? You learn about file management, application software like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, business software, 3D printing, 3D modeling. Once you finish this class here, you can become a technical support specialist just for taking these four classes, one, two, three, four, without even finishing the program. We can already apply a job as a system support or technical support specialist. Let's go with technical support specialist. See how much you're making? $90, 60, making $1,000 a week. That's about 4,000 a month. And then you're making about 55,000 a year, which is better than the way I was making 30,000, 44,000. This is just after taking four classes, you can already making 55,000. After you finish that, we move to internet technologies. We learn about the www, we learn about web browsers, cloud computing. Like I was saying, how does the cloud computing happens when they talk about Azure, AWS, even GCP, all those things, OneDrive. It talks about social media. What do you know about Facebook besides using it? How does Facebook operate? Twitter, Instagram, what do you know about them? How to properly set up a social media profile, internet communication technologies. There's a lot of things. Outlook, the software that we use for emails, Internet of Things, online research. Once you finish that, you can become a social media marketer. You can be doing marketing for people in social media just for taking this class only. Like once you go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in internet technologies, you're already a social media marketer. Let's see how much a social media marketer is making a year. An intern is making $15 an hour. That's 35,000, better than someone working for the warehouse for 33,000 a year. Specialist, that's $18 an hour. Better, you make 48,000 a year. Just to do social media. Once you finish that, you move to the networking session. Network basics, wired and wireless networking, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, internet connectivity, wireless infrastructure, VPN, networking protocols, DHCP, subnetting, TCP/IP. What do you know about that? And they have labs. Remember, I tell you, mouse and the screen. Once you finish this, you become a network administrator. Net check how much a network administrator is making. A network administrator is making 73,000 a year. This is no game. That's 5,000 a month. With no experience, entry level, you can make 3,464 entry level. That's $41 an hour. This is no joke. People making this kind of money. Maybe working from home. This is just one example. Just for taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classes, we can already start applying for this job. We don't have to wait. Databases class, introduction to databases. You have relational databases, querying databases, non-relational databases, SQL, Microsoft Access, tables and relations, data structure, spreadsheets and databases. What is the difference between Excel and Access? You get to learn all those. Big data. Once you finish that, you can work as database administrator. You can be a data analyst. A data analyst is making 72,000 a year. That's the average. You can make up to 110,000 a year. If you have experience of less than 1 year, look how much you can make a year. 68,000. This is better than making 33,000 or 40,000 in a warehouse. See, this is life changing. That's 5K a month, 1,300 a week, and then that's $35 an hour just for taking that class. That's a data analyst. What about database administrator? Making 91,000 a year, as low as 62,000. You can make more than 130K a year, 6,000 a month for just taking that class. Per week, you make it $1,673, and then in an hour, you make it $66 an hour just for taking these 7 classes. We can already start applying, no doubts. Programming, you get to learn how to program variables, areas, logic, functions, for loop, conditions, while loop, defining a call a function, version control, Git, learn about object-oriented programming like Java, Python, basic Python scripting, basic JavaScript. We have HTML, CSS, careers in programming. They're showing the list of the career that you can do in programming. And then here you can become an application developer. They're making 85,000 a year, 6,000 a month. You can make up to 9,000. It's going to be 1,470. That's $46 an hour. This is no joke. People making this kind of money. You can even see West Fargo is the highest payer for application developer. West Fargo. Information systems, about business. What do you know about IT and business when they come together? The chain management, artificial intelligence, AI, intellectual properties. How do people do copyright? You're trying to upload the music and then you see that the music cannot be played because of copyright. How does that happen in a digital world? Trademarks. And then here, you can become a project manager. This is big. You can become a lot of things in just one class. Just one class, different chapters. You can become different things. That means just by taking this 9 class, you can apply for 7 different types of jobs. Agile, it's being used in software deployment, software design, DevOps, they're using Agile methodology. You get to learn about all these things. Project management, you have Scrum in there, Scrum Master, teach you project manager. How much they're making? 83,000 a year. This is the average. You can make up, you can make more or less. 5K a month. That's 1,536. You can pay your rent in 1 week and then the rest of the 3 weeks chilling, traveling, and then you can be working from home. You don't have to go to the office. Here, $60. Less than 1 year experience, you can make $58 an hour. You're gonna be traveling all over the place. What if you can be working from home? How about that? How about you try it? How about if it's your time to try it too? Here's the opportunity. Cybersecurity, big in this world now, teaching you how to catch bad guys. How you catch bad guys. Here, security threat, authentications, authorization, encryption, device security, Windows Defender, business, continuity plans. Once you finish taking this class, you can at least start applying for a security analyst. 88,000 a year. You can make up to 140,000 a year or minimum 56K. As entry level, you can expect to make 50K. You can make up to 172,000 depending on experience. At least 4K a month. You can be making 1,600. You can pay your rent and have some money to chill depending on where you live. $51 an hour. Come on, man. This is way better. Life changing. And then even prepares you to choose which IT career you want to do. It even tells you about future trends, what's coming in IT. And then if you want to further more your education, which programs can you choose in college? What type of IT certifications can you see here? Finding a job even teaches you about resume, interviews, tips. Even when I'm not there or whatever, you can still get the tips and then you get to practice for the exams. Once you finish with this, you're choosing what IT career you want to pick. That was just the demo for today, showing you what the classes has to offer, how much you can get for positions. Hit me up. My business cell is 704-605-8521. And also you can catch me on WhatsApp with the same number or Instagram, any platform that you hear me, just reach out. If you have any questions, share in the comments, send me an inbox. I hope you stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.